Whoa! Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. God. Whoa! Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. Welcome to my God. God.
Comment and subscribe. Once again, the back is flooded again. We had a Palm Bay warning of a massive flooding in my area. And you hear all that? That's all the frogs. All the frogs going crazy. I don't want to get too close, but see, it's flooding again. I may have to do better than this with the drainage. All that grass grown. I haven't did anything back there because it's keep flooding. You hear all these frogs? You never know what may pop out over here, so I'm finna go in the house. All those are frogs. You hear that? Jupiter, let's get in the house. Come on. Oh, there's stuff out here. You hear those frogs? Come on, let's go. Hurry. Come on. Let's go. Jupe, let's go. Come on. Jupe, let's go. Those frogs out here. Come here. Let's go home. Let's go to the house. Come on, little mouse. No looking for lizards right now. No lizards. No lizards. Got a lot of work to do around here. Like I said, I've been feeling good, and the sun been out. It's been very hot, some hot days. So I have been not doing much in this yard because that's a heat stroke right there. You get a heat stroke with this heat. But now it's cooling down. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. All those are frogs. I guess it's mating season, huh? I know in the winter time the grass can go down, and I'm gonna get really busy. And back there I have where it's wet and all this water, I'm gonna have to go ahead and fill it up, with some dirt and some rocks. Come on, Jude, let's go. I see a hawk. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go in the house. Come on. Hawk. Jude, let's go. Come on. Let's go in the house. Come on. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, love, and happiness. Grow.
Whoa! Welcome to my God.